Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to build a LEGO Miata, updated. Start by sorting bricks by color and size, then set aside specialty parts like axles and hinges. Measure your intended scale so wheels and doors align properly. Keep instructions modular and test subassemblies as you go. I'll walk you through chassis strength, shaping the curves, and adding realistic details so your Miata looks faithful and drives reliably. Start the chassis with a sturdy Technic spine and secure it with reinforced pins and plates to avoid bending. Place wheel hubs accurately so tires clear bodywork and steering functions smoothly. Add suspension points and test travel to prevent rubbing at full articulation. Strengthen connection points where weight concentrates, like the engine bay and seat mounts, so the model withstands handling and can be opened for interior detailing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making updated builds and tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth as a smart companion to fund your LEGO hobby and long-term goals with clearer money habits. It changed how I budget for tools and kits, and I think you'll find it useful too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shape the body using slopes and hinge plates to mimic the Miata's soft fenders and hood lines. Create removable panels with studs on side or clip systems so you can access the interior without breaking the silhouette. Constantly compare roof height, bonnet length, and rear overhang to preserve scale accuracy. Finish with small details like mirrors, emblems, and realistic lights to bring the model to life and give it authentic character.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.